Good morning, evening, or nighttime, whatever it may be for you. Welcome to Skate Simple. This is a channel dedicated to teaching you how to skateboard. And today's video is how to kickflip. So we'll just get right into it. You're going to want to place your back foot similar to an ollie position on the tail. Your front foot should be a bit behind the bolts of your front truck and slightly turned with your toes toward the nose of your skateboard, so you can slide your foot up the board and off the nose behind you. After you pop your tail, drag your front foot over the grip tape towards the nose. The toe side of your shoe should slide off the nose in a slight angle. This motion across the corner of the nose makes the board do the flipping motion. It is almost like a karate kick, hence the term kickflip. After the toes of your front foot have left the nose, the board starts to rotate. Be patient and practice to find the right amount of power needed in the kick, the right timing, and the correct front foot position. When the board is done with rotating, try to catch it with your feet on the bolts of your trucks and ride away clean. It maybe will take some time to get your kickflip straight, but once you master it, you can pull them off like ollies. Another common mistake is that the board goes varial flip. This because you scoop the tail instead of snap the tail. Your shoulders will also turn like a backside 180 instead of centered for a kickflip. Once you get your kickflips down pretty good, you can start taking them up ledges. You can do a kickflip into grinds. You can do kickflip out of grinds. There's so many variations of kickflip, so you got to get those kickflips down. I hope this video helped you. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe for more future content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.